Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo offset female baby 5/8" Kino adapter. So you place a Kino Flow diva-lite on a light stand and what happens? Kinos use a plate mount they call a 41K mount with a ball joint and a baby receiver that snaps on the back of the diva. Because this mount is coming from the back of the fixture, it moves the center of gravity off to the side instead of being aligned with the stand. Now add the weight of the ballast and they are quite top heavy and tip easily. To mount our Kino adapter, first slide the baby receiver of the offset adapter onto the baby pin of our C-stand. Turn the knob to secure in place. Now slide the baby receiver from the 41K mount onto the baby pin of the offset adapter. Then turn the knob until snug. And voila! The center of gravity is aligned with the stand. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.